So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about latest off-campus drives 2021 which are applicable for the freshers as well as for the experienced candidates. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates. So and I am requesting all of you to watch this video till the end because the different job roles or the different companies has the different hiring process and the eligibility criteria. So if you are not watching this video till the end, so later you may get confused and keep commenting that sir whether we are eligible or not, what is the interview process or the required skills etc. So I am requesting all of you to please pay attention here and watch this video till the end. So now let's discuss about the different job roles and the other details. So the first company name is Happy Fox. They are hiring for the front-end developer and the job type is IT software development. And your work location is Chennai only and salary will be getting best in the industry. So you might have seen that in our thumbnail we have mentioned the salary structure you will be getting. So according to the Glassdoor review we have mentioned the salary structure because they have not mentioned anything regarding the salary structure. For a reference purpose we have added the salary you will be getting. So you may get much more than this. This is the average salary a employee gets in this company for the specific job role. According to your skills or the experience you may get salary much more than the average salary. Then the experience required is fresher or the experienced candidates. Then qualification BE, BTech, BSc, MCA, MSc, ME, MTech all are eligible for this job role. Then batch, any batch, that means the current year of pass out or the batch candidates, that means 2021 batch is also eligible for this job role. Then branch, any branch, all the IT background candidates like computer science, CSIT and the non-IT like mechanical, civil, electrical all are eligible for this job role. Then the basic requirements. So you must have hands-on experience with HTML, CSS or JavaScript and one framework and concepts around the web services in general. So as they are hiring for the front-end developers, you must have skills or knowledge about the HTML, CSS or JavaScript. So you have expertise in CSS or HTML using the current best practices like HTML5 etc. So you have experience in building single page applications and the have good understanding of the best practices around building them. So you must love solving the technical problems or the technical issues and the troubleshooting issues. These are the basic requirements they have or they have asked for. So now let's discuss about the second company. So the second company name is Infinity. They are hiring for the software development trainee. Job type again IT development only and work location is Chennai again and salary will be getting best in the industry according to your skills. Then experience required is fresher or experienced 0 to any. All are welcome. Then qualification required is only BE BTech and batch any batch, that means the current batch or the older batch, you can say 2020 or 2018 are also eligible for this job role. Then branch, all the CSIT and the non-IT candidates mechanical, civil, electrical all are eligible. Then the basic requirements, so you must have good communication skills and basic knowledge in the programming, good analytical or the problem solving or the logical thinker, multitasking capabilities, follow the software development life cycle or you can say SDLC. So these are basic requirements they have asked for. They have not asked any specific programming languages here like C, Java or Python. So you must be proficient enough in with one programming language at least. So the basic requirements they have. So if you are interested for this job role or for this profile, you can send your updated resume to the mentioned email address jobs@infinitysoftware.net. So while sending your updated resume, please mention the job role or the job profile you are applying for, software developer training. So please mention the job role so that the HRs or the hiring manager will come to know about the job profile or the job role you are interested for or you are applying for the job role. Then the third company. So the third company name is HasCube. They're hiring for the software developer or the software development engineer. Job type is IT software development. Work location is Bangalore and salary will be getting best in the industry and experience required is only 0 to 2. So if you have 2+ year of experience or the 3 years of experience, you can apply for this job role. You may apply, it depends whether they are going to give you a chance or not, but it is only for 0 to 2 years of experienced candidates. Then qualification required is again any BE, BTech, MCA, MSc, ME, MTech, etc. Then batch, any batch, that means the current pass out or the batch candidates are also eligible 2021 because they are hiring or asking for 0 to 2 years of experienced candidates. Then branch, any branch, all the IT or the CSE background candidates and the non-IT candidates all are eligible for this job role. Then the basic requirements. So 0 to 2 years of work experience is mandatory as we discussed earlier. Proficient in at least one programming language like either C or C++, C Hash, Java or Python, .NET, PHP, etc. Then having JavaScript experience is a plus. It is not mandatory. If you have knowledge in the JavaScript, then it is plus. Then comfortable with Unix or Linux systems, experience with a version control system, having Git experience is a plus. It is not mandatory, but if you have experience, then it's good. So this is all about the third company, HashCube. So all these company 2021 year pass out candidates are eligible everywhere. So I have seen that most of the candidates were commenting, sir, please post the jobs for the 2021 year pass out candidates. So it's a golden opportunity. Please apply for each and every company. So now let's discuss about the fourth company or the fourth job role. So the fourth company name is Teradata. Job profile, they're hiring for the associate software developer, engineer, and the job description or the your field of work will be Java developer only. You'll be working as a Java developer. Job type is IT software and the work location is Hyderabad only, and salary will be getting best in the industry. And experience required is 0 to 2 years. Qualification required is B, BTech, MCA, MSc, MTech, etc. Again, all the qualification background candidates are eligible. Then batch, any batch and the branch only computer science or the IT field candidates are eligible. No other non-CSIS candidates like mechanical, civil, electrical are not eligible for this job role. Unfortunately, you can apply for the above or the first three job roles or for the first three companies. For the fourth company or the Teradata, CSIS or the non-IT candidates are not eligible. Then the basic requirements. So advanced programming skill in core Java only. They have not asked for the advanced Java. So you must have experience or skills in Hibernate, experience debugging and troubleshooting in concurrent, complex and the clustered environment having huge data, experience with J2EE technologies and Spring framework, experience in using JavaScript and related frameworks like jQuery, Backbone, React, etc. Efficient or effective communication at the presentation skills. Then the desired skills or the proficiency, experience with memory analysis and the JVM turning, experience with relational database, Teradata, Postgres, etc. Then experience in working with microservices architecture and the Docker, etc. So these are the basic requirements and the desired skills for this job role for this Teradata company. So let me take you to the official website where you can apply for these discussed job roles if you are eligible or willing to apply. So this is all about the HappyFox first company we discussed, front-end developer. So here you can see all the details. Then the second company is HashCube. So if you are interested, then you need to click on the apply now button here. After attaching your resume and providing all the basic details, you will be able to apply for the above job roles within 5 minutes. Then associate software engineer Teradata, and for the other company, for the second company, you need to send your updated resume to the jobs@infinitysoftware.net. So I hope you get a clear idea about the 4 different job roles and the eligibility criteria. So if you have any doubts, then please go through the description of this video. I'll be providing all these things in the description of this video so that you'll be able to read by yourself all the things, eligibility criteria and the basic requirements, etc. So I also will be providing the job links in the description of this video itself so that you'll be able to apply for the above job roles before it expires. So if you have any doubts, then please comment your doubts in the comment section below so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.